Cutty Sark was the last surviving tea clipper, built in 1869 in Dumbarton to serve the China tea trade. Ships like this were meant to have a life of about 25 years. 150 years later, we're still here by some miracle. My name is Simon Thompson. I'm the shipkeeping manager here at Cutty Sark. It is the museum's largest object, and we need to treat her with the respect she deserves. As an island nation which was built on trade at sea, I think it's so important for people to come and walk the decks and experience the feel you get from being here, and not only a landmark of London, but the importance of this survivor as a piece. The figurehead, Nanny, is to be replaced. She's been there since 1957. A couple of years ago, signs of rot and water saturation were noticed. So we did some conservation work, and she's been put back on the ship, but it's been decided that we've got a couple of years before things might become worse again.
My name's Claire Denham. I'm the Conservation Research Advisor on board Cutty Sark. Nanny, the figurehead, really is the soul of the ship. There's been many quotes over the years about the original Hellyer figurehead that was carved with the construction of the ship, saying she's this beautiful artistic impression of grace and beauty. The one we have in the dry dock is a bit more of a cruder version. Now we're looking at actually carving a new figurehead. So we have to bring different evidence we've got together to make a sort of educated guess about how the figurehead should look. One piece of evidence that did come to light is a drawing by Hercules Linton. This is how he envisaged Nanny the witch would look like on the bow of the ship, and that was carved by the Hellyer family.
This drawing is beautifully elegant, which is somewhat different to the figurehead we have now, carved by Arthur Levinson. We're in the process of putting together a brief for a new figurehead to be carved, referring to the historical records we have and the specifications.
There's very few figurehead carvers left in the country, so I think it's really important to keep these skills alive. Getting something done by the best craftspeople there are and maintaining it is the best way to keep Nanny up there for the next 150 years.